Welcome to our main event, Amazon versus Toys R Us by Michael Morales. Successful brands, failing brands. Our tale of the tape, I will be showing you some successful points of Amazon and what government regulations can mean for the future of the company, and the failing points of Toys R Us and how they could have survived. First, we'll start by showing you the major companies owned by Amazon, some of which you know, some of which you may not know. From their innovations of starting from an online bookstore to branching out to the different needs and wants of a customer all in one place, Amazon is an ever-growing company. From their award-winning customer service, it provides an overall shopping experience by suggesting products you may need and want by using social media and search history. They deliver fast and efficient execution on all sales, but not only giving you many options to choose from, but also giving you seamless results you wouldn't get in a regular store. Amazon has diversified as a company to grow with the customers and help achieve anything they may want, all in the comfort of their home, providing outstanding user experience by delivering different products with specific keywords that can bring them a wide variety of different options from several of their departments. Jeff Bezos' in it to win it mindset helped to make Amazon the global phenomenon it is today. Amazon gives their customers peace of mind during their shopping. It allows the customer to shop through the endless options of products to achieve the best one at the best competitive price. On to Toys R Us. Here we have the few major companies Toys R Us owned. Toys R Us used to be a shopping experience and a destination. Because of their new demographic of children, their mindset is focused on a more digital output. Toys R Us also lacked in any brand loyalty because you were able to find their products from other vendors who might have a better price. Overall, the stores became boring, with nothing fun and interactive to draw in the foot traffic they wanted. Toys R Us branding strategy was to give the ultimate in-store experience. It was where a kid could be a kid. Eventually, that kid grew up and had their own child who was raised in a digital era, and toys may not be as appealing as the latest new app game. Toys R Us were essentially stubborn in a way because they kept in their own ways and didn't have enough innovation to grow with the current demographic of children and adults. Here we have some ways Toys R Us could have survived today. It's not guaranteed, but it would have been the step in the right direction. Make it fun. That's what they lacked. Earlier in our course, we discussed government regulations and how it can affect online companies such as Amazon. I, for one, feel like some regulations are needed for a company of this magnitude because it is an open market for vendors of all kinds, and you never know who's looking to take advantage of you, the customer. With these regulations, Amazon can verify the vendor as legitimate and give the customer further peace of mind that they are getting the best bargain for their buck. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.